In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to Base64. We'll use the fastest approach, an online converter. Base64 is a way to represent binary files like images as plain text. It's handy when you need to embed a small image directly into HTML or CSS, store it in a JSON file, or send it through systems that only accept text. Start by opening your favorite browser and searching for the phrase image to Base64 converter. You'll see plenty of tools that do this for free. Choose a reputable site that clearly explains what it does and, ideally, mentions how it handles uploads. If your image is sensitive or private, consider whether you're comfortable uploading it. For public or non-sensitive assets, an online tool is perfect. Once you're on a converter page, upload your image. Most tools let you click an upload button to select a file from your computer, and many also support drag and drop. Common formats like PNG, JPEG, GIF, and SVG are typically supported. Keep in mind that larger images will produce longer Base64 strings, so if your file is huge, the output will be very long. After you add the file, the page may show a quick preview to confirm you picked the right one. Next, click the Convert button. Some sites start converting the moment your image finishes uploading. Others give you a clear Convert or Encode button. You usually don't need to change any settings. If the tool offers a choice between a raw Base64 string and a full data URL, think about how you plan to use it. A data URL starts with something like data.image PNG Base64 followed by the encoded text. That prefix is helpful if you want to paste directly into an IMG SRC or a CSS background. If you only need the pure Base64 portion, select the option without the prefix. When the conversion completes, copy the Base64 string. You'll see a large block of characters. Many tools provide a copy button to grab it instantly. If there isn't one, click inside the output box, select all, and copy. Avoid introducing extra spaces or line breaks when you paste it later, since even a small change can break the encoding. If you took the data URL version, keep the entire thing intact. If you chose the raw string, make sure you don't accidentally include any labels or headers from the page. That's it. Search, upload, convert, and copy. You now have your image encoded as Base64 and ready to use wherever text-only content is required.